Hi, my name is Erica Henry. I am a 37-year-old student. I've been married to my husband Adam for 15 years, and we have two sons, Carter, who's 12, and Parker, who's 8. I'm originally from a small town in northern Wisconsin, but a couple years ago we moved back to western Montana, where my husband is from, and we live with my in-laws. My husband travels half time to three-quarter of the time each month for work, so my in-laws have been helping me with my kiddos while I go to school and they go to school. I plan to apply to PA school here in the spring, and I am retaking immunology to get a better grade. So this will be my second time taking this. I took it at a different school the first time. In my spare time, I like to crochet. I make lap blankets and chemo hats for area cancer patients here in town. And I'm also sending some back to my hometown as well. Aside from that, I don't have a whole lot of free time. In the spring and summer, I'm a baseball mom, so we're constantly on the move. And that's about all I do. This will be my 5th session here at Doane. And this session I'm also retaking another chemistry class to get a better score as well. I've really enjoyed my programs here at Doane. The instructors are really great. The format works super well for my lifestyle. And so that's about all. I have a bachelor's degree in business, and I graduated in 2005. So, you do the math. I've been out of college for a while. I'm a certified medical assistant as well, even though I'm not currently working. So that's a little bit about me. I hope we have a great next 8 weeks, and good luck to you all.